Justin from Honors. Today we're going to be looking at the events calendar for LearnDash plugin and how to add a LearnDash calendar shortcode to any LearnDash course or WordPress post or page. So first we're actually going to create a LearnDash calendar event. We're going to come down to calendar events, then add new. We'll call this event welcome meeting. If applicable, you can actually add a link right here, Zoom link or whatever link applies to the event. Set this for August 10th. We'll go with 12 and have that go for 3 hours. Style the event here, we're actually not going to worry about that. We want this to show for all users. And now we can publish the event. Alright, and let's check to be sure the event has shown up. Right there. Alright, now let's add the event calendar to a LearnDash course. Come down here to courses. Let's add it to test course number 1. So let's say we want the calendar to show up right on the course main page, right here. So let's go down, we'll select Shortcode. We'll type in LearnDash calendar. We'll click update. Now we'll view the course page. As you can see here, the calendar shows up, and right here is our event. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Let's say we want to add the calendar to a post. We have a list of posts here. Let's say we want to add it to this post right here. We'll just go to edit. As you can see, this is just a bunch of filler copy. So we'll just move this down. We'll add in the shortcode. Click on update. Here's the blog post, and right at the top of the page is the LearnDash calendar. Now you may want to add the shortcode to a post. Say you have an upcoming webinar and you want to write a blog post about it. This would be a good opportunity to insert the LearnDash shortcode right here to the top, so that way people can see the event and they can read about it in your blog post. Then the same technique can also be applied to any WordPress page.